Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, go gangster touching high. Gold from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold.
Yo, what's up?
From the sky, go gangster touching high, low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew.
What up? Good morning. How's it going? Let's get into it, man. Look at the NASDAQ here. All right, you can see we just took out the Asian highs up here. Yeah, just took out the Asian highs. See what's going to happen this morning, man. I was looking at this. Look at this. Came down. Got a nice hourly inversion down here at the lows. Nice hourly inversion. Boom. Came up, took out these highs, and now let's see what it's going to do. Is it going to keep on coming up, come after these highs over here? Let's see. But look at this like trend to the upside here, and just straight up. Yo, what up, Nathan? What up, Michael? Good morning. What up, Caveman? What's up, everybody? Just checking out here, checking out the chart, seeing what's going on. Checking all the time frames, seeing if we have any fair value gaps. Right down here, we got a 15-minute fair value gap. So I'll mark that out. 15-minute FVG. Another one down here. That's the closest one. And then we got these highs up here. So just marking out the fair value gaps. See, where's another one? We got an hourly anywhere. Hourly up here. So we're going to go after this hourly fair value gap up here. Right there. Mark that out. 1 hour FVG. Same thing down here. Got an hourly down here, but it's kind of lined up with the 15-minute. One hour fair value gap right there. We just swept these highs over here, so now we may come down, test this 1 hour fair value gap, and from there we may continue up. But just taking a look here, going through, checking out, seeing, possibly what could happen, right? So yeah, let's see. In between these two fair value gaps right now, so let's see what we're going to do. Now, if it does start to come down, I feel like it could come down pretty fast because we got kind of like this trend line liquidity to the upside. So if it starts to come down, it could kind of just shoot right down to this hourly fair value gap. And this trend line really could start it about right here. Just trending upward. Ryan said if we break that trend, it's going to be a super flush. Possibly, bro. See. We will see. Trying to get some music on. But I'm not sure how to make it sound right everywhere. Let me see. What about that? I wonder if that sounds good. How's that sound? Somebody let me know. Does that sound all right with the music? Or should I just turn the music off? Yeah, but here we go. Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. It's really loud. Let me turn it down. My bad. What about now? How does it sound now? Yo, Pseudo, appreciate the sub. Let's go. I'm about to see how it sounds. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing the mic. Somebody said, what are you, 12? Nah, I'm 10. Now he says, waiting on that 83.9% win rate to be shown on your account. Well, buddy, you just keep on waiting in here. Hope you have fun. Thanks for the engagement. Appreciate that. Appreciate the engagement. You the man. Come back for more. How old are you anyways? Testing the volume out over here on this other stream. Testing, testing, testing. Dang it, the mic was off. I stream every morning at 8 a.m. Eastern time, but I use this pre-market on YouTube as kind of like a warm-up, right? Like an athlete's not going to go and, just go straight into playing, right? They're going to warm up before the game. I kind of use this pre-market as the same thing. I want to see how the market's moving today, get kind of a, feel about how the market's moving. And yeah, kind of get an idea of what I want to see during the New York session, and then I trade and stream during the New York session in the Discord. But I'm watching here right now at this 1 minute gap. If this 1 minute gap gets inverse, we're probably going to come down here to this hourly fair value gap. And yeah, we're in between these two hourly fair value gaps right now. So just seeing which one it wants to hit first, and yeah. See if we come down, hit this hourly fair value gap down here as a little pullback, and then continue up, or what's going to happen here. But we had a pretty strong trend coming up overnight. So I mean, if it starts to come down, it can kind of run some of this pretty fast. It's like some LR. But you can see it just kind of broke that trend line to the upside. So we'll see if this is going to be the start of it coming, kind of down here, at least to this hourly fair value gap. But yeah, broke that trend line. See if it's going to come down now. Aloe said, are you bullish today? I don't really know. Haven't looked at the higher time frames really. But when you're trading on the 1 minute, you really don't need to really know if it's bullish or bearish. You're just looking for a few points, scalp it out, and get out of there. Dude, but the higher time frames, I don't even want to look at them, dude. The higher time frames are pitiful on the NASDAQ. Like, dude, I don't even want to trade the NASDAQ right now. This is the daily chart. We're in a big, stupid range, honestly. Just, oh my, stupid. Like this is bad enough, right? Now we're just starting to do it even worse. Down here, we're really coiling up and just ranging. It's so bad, man. I can't wait till we get out of this range and start having some, I don't know, something different. But this range ain't it on the NASDAQ. $818 said the 1 hour isn't pitiful. Using the 1 minute alone is insane. Maybe it's just me. I mean, yeah, who uses the 1 minute alone? I use the 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15. I use all these time frames, man. Whatever looks the cleanest. All right, let's see if it's going to close below here. The only thing is we did leave these kind of highs up here now. We kind of left these highs that it could come back and take out, kind of tap into this bearish fair value gap and then roll back over. What up, Frank? Yeah, but while we're sitting here waiting, make sure you check out Hypertix, man. 50% off with code SLADE. And I've been crushing those accounts, dude. Gotten 2 huge payouts in the last month. I'm working my way toward another one. But make sure you check them out. I really like the instant funded accounts over there at Hypertix. If we close below this 1 minute bullish fair value gap, I think we're going to come down to the hourly fair value gap down here. Waiting to see it close below there. If we do close below, probably coming down to this hourly fair value gap. Bro, what should a good setup have? You should get if you're taking a short, you should wait for it to get high. If you're taking a long, you should wait on it to be low. I mean, that's some of the best. I mean, it sounds simple, but that's going to be some of the best advice you can even have. Too many people, they wait for it to get way up high, and dude, it's already moved up this much, and they're like, let me just, the trend is up. Let me get in on the trend. And then boom, here comes the dump, and they get stopped out. Super high, I look for shorts. Yo, what up, Steph? Dev, do you need a buffer on Hypertix? The instant funded is just 20% consistency. But they have no consistency funded accounts also. But you have to just take an eval. I like the instant fundeds because there's no evals on them. Yo, smash the like button, dude. Smash the like button, and we'll do a giveaway at the end of the stream, man. I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling nice today. It's Friday. It's Friday, man. Smash that like button. We're going to do a giveaway We're going to get back to the giveaways, man. Just need you guys to smash the like button and support me by using code SLADE so we can keep on doing some giveaways. Yeah, I'm from Alabama. Alabama, Georgia line. It's Friday the 13th. Oh, snap. Slade, any tip for newbies? Yeah, man, take it slow. Take it slow, find a strategy you understand and stick to it. Don't switch up strategies too many times. If you look for too many things on the charts, you're just going to get confused and you're going to get analysis paralysis. And I'm telling you, don't go strategy hunting for too many. Find one that you like and just stick to it. If you know too many strategies, you will just cripple yourself on the charts. Trust me. Yeah, we got news in 5 minutes, man. News in 5 minutes. Red folder. See what's going to happen. And while we're waiting on this news, let me show. If you weren't here yesterday, dude, I finished up this ring, and I want to show it off. So look at this ring. Look at this ring I made. Boom, I made that. I made that. Custom made. I made it on the computer, and then made it on the computer, 3D print it, cast it into gold, and then set all the diamonds. That's a 1 carat natural diamond in the middle right there. 1 carat natural diamond. But yeah, man, pretty sweet. Want to show it off. How much you sell that for? The set, it was like 7,000, 7,500, something like that. It was like 7,500 after tax. Is that the giveaway? Nah, man, I can't be doing that. Can't be doing all that. Let's see here. We got news in 3 minutes, man. News in 3 minutes. Make sure you're hitting the like button. We're going to do a giveaway at around 8:40. We're going to do a giveaway. So make sure you hit the like button. If you're wondering about my strategy, you can download a PDF I made for you from the link in my bio. If you're wondering about what strategy I use. And make sure you check out Hypertix. Use code SLADE on all prop firms. Hypertix, you can get 50% off right now. I like the instant funded accounts. Been getting paid on them the past month. Paid. We about to come take out these highs. We're going to tap into this bearish gap over here. Let's see. We're going to continue up, or are we going to get ready for the drop here? That's the question. We got news in 2 minutes. Red folder news, dude. Red folder news. All right, here we go. Just took out these highs right here. Took out these highs, tapping into this bearish fair value gap. I want to see if we reject here and come down, like I said earlier. So we may pop up here, tap into this bearish gap, and reject it down. The only thing is we got news coming out in about a minute. So, news coming out in about a minute. Yeah, Kenny, check them out. Top Step's too expensive, bro. Top Step is too expensive. Thank you, Pop Tomas. Appreciate it. Thank you for the engagement, buddy. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, check it out, Kenny. All right, news look like it ain't doing too much here. The news getting a little pop here, little pop up on the news. See, we're gonna keep going higher. We got a 1 hour fair value gap up there, still moving higher. These some equal highs over here. Equal highs right there. Mark that out. So let's see if we're moving up here to this these equal highs and this hourly fair value gap up here. Just kind of broke out of this trend line, came up, kind of rejected back off of that trend line there. See, we drew this trend line here, drew this trend line up, and it broke out of it, came up, kind of retested it, and see what's going to happen here. See what's gonna happen. That news was muted. Yeah, it wasn't too crazy here. Can someone live off of trading? I mean, I wouldn't want to. You can make good money trading, but I wouldn't want to live only off of trading, because you're gonna have down months, and your mental plays a big part in trading. So if you're not fully there, you're not gonna be making money. And if you know you got rent due the end of the month and you got to make a certain amount, you're gonna be kind of pushing for trades that probably aren't the best. So I think it's a good side income, side money, but I don't think anybody should kind of live solely off of trading. Not saying you can't make good money trading, you can, but there's a lot more that goes into it than just trading. Neb Belnit says down months with 84% win rate. Yeah, man, that's how it goes. So say you have 100 months. Take 100 months, right? 100 months. Neb, let me teach you something about math. If you take 100 months and you have an 84% win rate, you could have 16 of those months be unprofitable and still have an 84% win rate. So yeah, exactly. There you go, Nell Bennett. whatever your name is. That's how math works. That's how math works if you guys are new or still in preschool. Let's see. Yo, productive. Appreciate the heart me. Let's go. Appreciate the heart me. Let's see, man. Can we get some likes here on the stream? We're going to do a giveaway in a few minutes. Make sure you're smashing the like button. We're going to do a giveaway. Checking it out here. Seeing what's going to happen. You know, I kind of want to see us come down to this hourly fair value gap. Would be nice. Drop it down to this hourly fair value gap. Kind of breaking out of this trend here. If we get an inversion to the downside, I could see us dropping it down to this hourly fair value gap right here. Got to plug my computer in. Hang on. No, this is NASDAQ. There's a 5-minute bullish FEG. Would this be considered an inversion? If it closes below there. If it closes below. If the 5-minute candle closes below this bullish fair value gap, then yeah. Probably get a pretty good short right here down to that hourly fair value gap. On that inversion right there to the downside, if you guys want to take it. But still inside of this one here. I'd like to see it close below this one. I mean, I like the shorts down to this hourly fair value gap. Somebody asked buy or sell. I mean, it's up to you, man. I'm just kind of giving you what to look for here. I like the shorts down to this hourly fair value gap. But I'm not trading anything. I'm waiting on New York session, man. I'm waiting on New York session. But I like the shorts down to here. No, I'm not in it. I'm not in anything. Like I said, I just wait. I just kind of look at the charts here. I trade during the New York session. Is your strategy fully mechanical? No. It's not. You can't take every inversion. They're going to fail. You got to have context behind it. With your discount code, how much is a HyperTix account? I mean, it just depends which one you go with. I like the instant fundeds, but they're about the cheapest accounts around, HyperTix. That's why I like them. Cheap accounts, dude, and I like the instant fundeds. It's pretty much the same as any other instant fundeds you're going to find on the market, but they're a lot better price. So news at 8:30 and market opens at 9:40. Market opens at 9:30. News just came out 10 minutes ago. Ryan gave you a mechanical strategy, but the only thing, mechanical strategies don't work. Okay, just think logically here. If a mechanical strategy worked, there would be a bot. They would have a bot that could just do the strategy and make money. So mechanical strategies never work. You still always got to use discretion. So that's why mechanical strategies don't work. Yeah, hustlers, I'm not in this here. I wait till 9:30. But I mean, basically the idea is I just think it's going to come down here to this hourly fair value gap. At some point here, we'll see. See it come down to this hourly gap, and then from there you could probably catch, a scalp long. But yeah, that one would have failed if you took that inversion to the downside. See, so like everyone's not going to work, right? You can't just, it's not mechanical. You got to have context behind it. And that one failed. So you see, they don't all work. You got to have the context behind it still. And it was still holding this 5 minutes. So that was just kind of like an aggressive entry there. You see, it still held this 5 minute bullish gap. It never closed below there. See, so that was an aggressive entry. Sometimes, if I really, really like the trade, I will take an aggressive entry like that. Because if you wait on these higher time frame candles to close, sometimes by the time you wait, it's already at some of your targets. So, I mean, just depending on the situation, sometimes I will take an aggressive entry. Appreciate it, Joe Palm. Yeah, but now I'm just kind of waiting and seeing which fair value gap we kind of want to go take out first. Hit first. We got an hourly bearish gap up here, and we got a bullish gap down here. I kind of like to see us drop down here to this hourly gap, and then possibly catch a long up, right? Now we could drop it. We do have all this trend line here. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but we could drop all the way kind of down here. That would be a big drop off though, right? To drop it all the way down here and then bounce up. So we'll see, man. I kind of would rather it just drop down to this hourly, bounce it up, and then from there, you know, that's kind of what I'd be looking for today. Kind of a drop down here, tap into this hourly gap, and then bounce it up. All right, man. Who wants to run a giveaway? Who's ready? Who's ready to run a giveaway, dude? Let's do it. Let's run it. Oh, look at it pop up, dude. Look at it going now. What was that? 845 candle popping it straight up there, dude. Going right after those equal highs. About to come down. Dude, that was a big candle. Look at that candle. Dang, what a pop. 61.1 minute candle. Crazy. All right, bro. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Why did that candle spike? I don't know. I don't know, but it's going. It's popping high. Dang, dude. Even bigger now. Just took out those equal highs. So, like I said, equal highs act as a magnet for price. It came up here, took out these equal highs. Probably going to come tap into this hourly fair value gap. And then from there, you probably can catch a short from that hourly fair value gap. Yeah, but that was a big candle right there on that 1 minute time frame. But let's run the giveaway, dude. Let's run it. We're gonna host a giveaway in Discord, so join the free Discord, and we're gonna run it. Make sure you're in the Discord. Hang on, I'm about to go click the link in my bio. I'm about to turn on the Discord link. Go click the link in my bio to join the Discord, because we're about to host a giveaway in Discord here. So just join up in the Discord and type something here. Just type anything in the community chat to enter the giveaway. Just type anything in there, will work, and we'll run it. Yeah, you just click the link in my bio to join the Discord, and then you just click the check mark if you can't see any of the channels. If you can't see any of the channels, just yeah. But we're about to run a giveaway. Make sure you're hitting the like button for me. Hit the like button, and if you like giveaway accounts, make sure you're using code SLADE. Using code SLADE so we can keep on doing these giveaways. Check out Hypertix, 50% off with code SLADE. And let's do it, man. Let's do it. Just type something in here in about the next 3 minutes and we'll do the giveaway. Type something in about the next 3 minutes. Giveaways for a free prop firm account. Free prop firm account. I don't know. That was a pop. Popped it right up to take out those equal highs. pop up. Yep. This is all it. Type in here. We're doing a giveaway. Look at Die. That's a funny thumbs up. I like that one. Look at that sticker. Yo, what up, Yash? What up, Nick? Coach Rico, Coach Ro. DK, Tristan, Stoic in here, Frank, Stefan, Dogodo, Coach Ro. Let's go. We're about to do the giveaway. All right, let's do it. Let's do it right now. Take this chat GPT here, put it in there. I'm about to grab everybody's name and we're going to do a duck race. Anybody ever heard of a duck race? Here we go, giving away a free prop firm account. Here we go. We got them. Duck race time. Levi, you got to click the check mark to open the channels. Yeah, but make sure you're using code SLADE so we can keep on doing these giveaways, man. All right, here we go. Putting 1 minute on the clock, and we're about to go. We're about to go giving away a prop firm account. Here we go. Here we go. Who's gonna win it, dude? Who's gonna win the duck race? Yeah, if you type 1, it'll give your duck a speed boost. If you type 1, it gives your duck a speed boost. Yeah, it's too late to join. We're already running it, but make sure you're here. We're gonna start doing giveaways all the time for prop firm accounts. And make sure you use code SLADE so we can keep on doing these giveaways. There's Lee right there near the front. We got Frank in the lead right now. My duck's behind, dude. I need a speed boost. Void right there in the front leading the pack. I don't think he's going to win. Somebody's going to come from behind, usually, and do it up. Let's see, dude. Lewis. We got Lewis. There it is. Lewis with the win, dude. Lewis. All right, dude. Just sent you a message. Make sure you check it out. Check it out, Lewis. All right, let's see. Yeah, Jehovah, only giving one today. Only giving out one prop firm account today. Lewis won it. Oh yeah, peace. We're gonna start doing them all the time. Appreciate you guys using code SLADE. The more you use it, the more accounts we can give away. So yeah, make sure you're using code SLADE. Check out Hypertix, dude. 50% off. If this 3-minute here inverses, I think we should come down to the hourly gap down here. If this 3-minute inverses to the downside, I like it, dude. We took out the equal highs up here. Took them out. If this 3-minute inverses, we should just come right on down. But it's got to close below there. Got to close below there, and then it should be good to come down. Yeah. There's more. Are there more equal highs over here? I mean, yeah. Kind of some equal highs right at that 1 hour fair value gap. Took out those equal highs though. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if it doesn't close below here, should come up, tap this hourly up here. But I'm about to head off here, man. About to head off, get ready to trade with the Discord, and we about to make some money on a Friday. Friday the 13th, we about to make some money. About to make some money in a Friday the 13th. But yeah, about to head off, man. Make sure you're downloading my free educational PDF from the link in the bio and use code SLADE. Check out Hypertix. And I'll be back on Monday. If I don't see you in the Discord, I'll be back on Monday. We live stream every morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. So be here for the pre-market party. Be here. All right, dudes. About to head out. About to play the outro song and get on out of here, dude. So hope everybody has a good day. And Hustler's Homes, I check your Discord. Can't see nothing. Yeah, bro, you got to click the check mark in the rules channel. Click the check mark to open all the channels. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always winning. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals.